Okay, everybody, just a quick video. I try to throw up these little videos of things I'm doing for my little truck camping build. So I came across this little fan, this little sharp image fan for like $4 at a place called Bin Planet in my local area. It's a place where I guess they buy crates of stuff, stuff that didn't sell, maybe Amazon returns, stuff like that, and then they put it out. And each day you come, it's a different day. So it's $4 day, $2 day, $10 day, and you just get to rummage through a bunch of stuff and see what you could find. And I found this, and I bought it because sometimes I get a little warm in here while I'm cutting. But I noticed that it runs off of 12 volts, so this converts the 110 to 12 volts. And I was like, this would be a nice little fan slash light while I'm camping. It blows really nice, it's quiet, it's low power. So I decided to take these little flat connectors, and now you can remove the wall plug and you can put a 12 volt car plug. So now I can use it inside here, 110, and then I can go use it while I'm camping off my Milwaukee battery setup or my truck. So just cool little builds I wanted to show you guys. Nothing crazy. Hope you liked the video. Again, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You get to see every time I drop one of these videos. I have a clipper review coming soon. I'm waiting for that to get here, and then I'm gonna start working on that video. Check out scissorhands.com. I got some merch up there, and we'll catch you next time.